Hey Gun, what is that accessory? That looks so cool. Oh hi, this is strap mask, and it is not an ordinary accessory. They attach the mask behind your head and allow you to hang your knife around your neck. Oh, okay. That must be expensive, right? I want to have one too. No, actually, I made them myself. Do you want me to show it to you? Yes, please. Now, you guys must be wondering how I made this cool strap mask. This strap mask is very useful when you want to drink or eat at a restaurant because you can easily take off the mask and hang it on your neck. Cool and easy, right? Well, you know that I already have the gold one. Now, let's try to make the colorful one. Now, I will show you how to make them. It's a really simple step that I believe everyone can follow. So let's check it. Now, I have the paper clips ready with me. The first thing that you'll need to do is decide what color you want it to be. Like in here, I want it to be first pink, then yellow, and then the blue one. And this is how you attach them. First, open this part, then attach them. It will look like this. Then continue with the blue one. Same thing, same way. And it looks like this. Continue the step until it looks like a necklace. Then this is how it will turn, and now you can attach this strap mask into your mask. It's finished. And this is the final result. And thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.